Alright, you're looking at the Hobby Superstar. I don't know how old of a plane this is. My buddy bought it used. Just give you a quick look at it. My buddy's over there pissing in his car. Hopefully you can see that. But pretty nice little trainer. My buddy's got his Spectrum over there. We're going to take that up. Hopefully we'll have some videos up for you here shortly.
What I do,
the Hobby Superstar
is I'm taking off into the hardware. Oh, so don't choke off. Lean out. Yeah. Like it just did. Yeah. Not a problem. He's up high enough.
He's dead sticking her in after she died. Beautiful. Nice.
That happens.
Nice little dead stick landing. It's gonna be funny.